asai kamalong tangka pakejar pada maret loposi hawararat ke jong. Tipi jalan kapaklang thek thek dera jok humni sangti ke pon dampar chok fora saradeng kachingnang. Hamran Girls High School Kangkir Jipu alama bangke sorkar kachari atum mathapang sikimi. Kardom pini ada bertalong panili sami jilihan sepi non bertang tonpen arjik tha. Ongdong water supply scheme along cyclem pamika ke dera jok Karbenglong Autonomous Council pen PHE asai kamalong tangka pakejar padama red lopusi radatum ki jongpon. Ke thek damlong atengke harlong bi abi water supply scheme ke radatum langlong boilo. Bonta lasoalang ke sakhitang alangle kilong kali. Lason thak thak se dikhelem water supply scheme alongta lason thotlo radatum langki jonna. Halapu Chinthong Amri Hamren Dongkamukam Kironi Ahawar Malomta Lason Thak Thak Do Peklang Pusi Hawararadatum Ningjepon. News Desk Report Karbenglong Live. West Karbenglong District Dongkamukam Forest Range Kaparlo Angkang Kedamtang wo signify Sir Cap Arni Kangsam por 5 Pli Malom Aronalo Ave Pin Pen Sangti ke pon atrak Humni Forest Asai Khiatum Nebdon check. To check long.
That check so to patrolling na masi so gari se chola masi 20 chalan hoy hanglo. Masi produce hone de masi so gari dak jetu Donka area Sipuri por la dak wandel.
Te malik nang di sini mat komat la.
Malik no mat ke chine la. Rada mangela ni to henover delo dak Dongkamukam range to fan custody pe delo. So further proceeding hon atum auto.
Nang li ente la so sangti ko nap pensi ka uthai ma sini ma.
Mane isi complaint do mane central lens amhol do ada boitha langso amhol bangke settle telang samai hadak pensi hormu bangke jehetu chalan ave pin pen masi ador bang hadap kom hek masi gari mukha so hopu dam lapti pu amasi complaint bang chomkana moholdar pen ha chomkan moholdar bangke kagas 2000 do sam hadak me kagos anam pinang ko ti masi hadak bang dam de ti thor gari mukha halap hadak pensi complaint nang pale lo ni tum lo asi pini lo support ni operation nam lo amasi lo support clear picture clear theklo amasi gari lo kagos check lo kagos
Non malom so dihina mo phan bertang ton ponik senang.
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelang, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Dihina mopi puthot betar jupon thek lonang. Kedamtang wo signify pho arni laki World Environment Day arni do. Bangso arni Youth for Nature atum chapatir piponsi online pen hirjer ke toka chapati padoponsi kidun atum chapate don renti do. Bangso jok hirjer ke toke thek anong e kove lapen theng piarong ki pipensi Youth for Nature atum pen ningpli sote ronapan nong e pipajer pon. West Karbi Anglong dongka mukamalang Youth for Nature atum patir piponsi kedamtang wo signify pho arni World Environment Day kata London ang thek hirjer ketok arjan ki hi do it yourself craft mate DIY craft lapen photography aputhak online pen kachapate kapado along Hamren Church of God Mission Center Rong Karbi Amekar Reverend Wilkinson Teron lapen Carlitang Flourish Togbipi Asopo Kibisi ningpli so Teron ahin penta chapate donsi Youth for Nature kangsai atum pen aning plenglim ahirjer toksi lodon lo Bangso ahirjer ki lodon pen nong e sitami chapalong don lo nong e ke pajer bonjia phanpura Youth for Nature abitung atum Hamren alongan palisi nong e kilong abang hu ningpli so Teron aphan Karbi poho karvak pen nong e anparta kove arong lapen ador ke so athing piaklim ki e ponjia phan Karbi Anglong life pherang ke klembang phi sami kabon mili tisopi aredeng pen pipajer pon ningpli soteron alangli aning arong pen chodeng don si hem ke e dam pen kalana pami jiaphan lamchak chipidon
surprise matik ding kon long la kaya idam tang World Environment Day youth for dongka Youth for Nature dongka mukam asor atumen sepatir ki konsi so poetry competition alang itu event organizer si adak nili sepatir no sadak nili bang winner long no sports ni lan so mudeng konong no
Hamren pen Daniel inghi Karbi Anglong live Corona abur pen ajoni lasoningkan HSL se asatlang ki undun arisoe jangatum seba website aneswan pu portal along pen men kachi thabdun our side longpo
Kaphiri meme corona abura ke so ahir kang tang raga joini nona diu surihni ra inkoya ningkana baha metric asarlangang theki undun ariso ejanga tumaphan sarkar pen kachepari deng doan a college lapen university alonga ke joipen men kachethaba warsai pipon lo men kachethaba warsai ki pipon det kali kitab mate lowa thui ke namjia phan lapen hostel along ki doa tumaphan tangka kera pg pusi Assam Finance Minister Dr Himanta Biswa Sarma pen pangdak pon lo La Soaphi non HS first year rang deng along men ga chathabdunji aphanta pangdak ponlo La ke kewangji wose ga chiklo niphai inquiry ni pen men ga chathabdunji aphan chuning ridun longpo La pen wosik niphai thom cap arni an men ga chathab ki jutsi arni lo La si men ga chathabdunji aning ke hang abang phua bang phiatum seba website aneswan phua portal along si men chathabdun longpo bangso website portal kangpuji lake wosik niphai kre phor ni pen Men ka chathap ka chuning ri alo jogde rapi ahom tin higher secondary school pen college along thanbang aki hoi atumsi amen pangdak ponpo lapen jakhonga chiklo ke jengsi arui malom kang waitang abang phua bang phiatum amen pangdak ponpo News report Sarjib Gathar Karbi Anglong live
Surihini rakrenar kep aningkan ingdeng trokpen ingdeng kepan pangrumpet bankrehini bet Bon sitami non Dadiram Sharma headmaster kimi kedeng pen bang pharu plira troknar kep rapli aphaido bon ta pining surihini ra inkoya hot satlang kiun ang thek abedetlo sita ke bangji surihini ra inkoy ra isianingkan HSL se asatlang un edet pulote nemethang se adai chen popusi headmaster Sharma pen lamchak chipipon
2020 ningkan document metik APRG pu from fill up ke ba thong ro lahai ba thong atung ta tuning ke phel atu regular student ke inutawe la ba thomang bom bahini tumse APR chalo inut bang ke biya dalo lage APR pe dalo ro la bahini atung mang bom ta inuta nang umundi ro dak esonalam ningjenang kokpo 2019 aningkan itu Hamren Girls High School along inuta class 10 along student abe aro admission ta pino within 20 kilometer angbong radius angbong ke kasi student update la so pose regular student bangke nil lo managing committee honorable EM local EM sir Sri Jut Mongol Singh Timung parents guardian dak rong utei ching bai si la so school pereng nahi pu alam klang lo angke la bangke bharia challenge ason lo si bangke la si itu kacera pensi first bangke la so school a medium bang si change de lo la samis mi
Pini Adap Berta ke lepon sekang tonik lo dome thakme kardom.